And for the real OGs of the channel, what is up? You guys know where we are at. This is the garage where we made all our dreams come true. We are back in NorCal, but we are not here just for no reason. Not only to visit family, but we are here to go to Monterey Car Week, me and Jew. Today is gonna be a movie, so let's go and head out. We have made it to Monterey Car Week. We are joined by a Senna. Yo, no way. Look at this. I think it's so clean. All carbon fiber. It's literally like, it changes colors. It's kind of cool. You got the window right by your feet. That's crazy, but that's the thing though. That's like one of many cars that's out here. You guys can see that it is extremely crowded out here. So there are a lot of events today. So right now we are at Exotics on Broadway. So one of the main objectives of Monterey Car Week is you see cars that you don't ever see anywhere else, right? Like this is it has Hennessy on it. It's a Hennessy Venom, it says. I don't know about you guys, but I've never seen this car before, ever. Got the pink F40 in the wild. No way. I know you guys have seen the interior of these so many times, but I gotta show you. Right? Come over here, we got a Ferrari. Man, there's so much money here. You like that?
Those wheels look freaking amazing.
And the thing is, like, I don't like white on white. Granted, like there is like some accents of carbon fiber, which makes it like it contrasts. But I don't like white on white. But this looks amazing. Yeah.
The contrast with the black, like you said, like
this is absolutely crazy, yo. I'm about to get in front of all these people pictures, but I gotta get you guys up close and personal. No way! Look at that, Lord. Who got a gaming steering wheel?
wow.
That is absolutely crazy. Look at that rear end, yo. Look at that diffuser. That is crazy, man. So I'm gonna film these from over here because I don't want to get caught in the crowd. But yo, look at that. What is that? I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't even know what kind of car that is, but it's all carbon fiber.
Another one, bro. Oh wait, I think that's a.
That's a Senna. I think that's a Senna. But either way though, bro, like, you know, a bunch of cars, like even that. You know what I mean? So many cars out here that are just absolutely insane.
Yeah.
Yo,
I don't, bro. I'm sorry.
look at this. That color is wild. Yes, Porsche for the win. That is so sick, yo. Love it. We're in a parking lot. You see this? Freaking van. Freaking Odyssey, yo. Look at this. Yo. I like your car. Out here stunting on us. STO, they're definitely together. They are definitely together. That's so sick, yo. One day, his and hers, coming soon. I love monoblock wheels. I'd prefer monoblock wheels over three-piece wheels. So that's just me though. Everybody's different. 720S, you know, looking like a spaceship, nothing major. Hey man, how you gonna touch the tip like that? Yo. The thing is, I could be wrong too. Watch this be like a two-piece wheel and just like bolted from the rear. It is actually, I'm wrong. I can see the hardware right there. Damn. Still clean though. Hold on, let me step over here. This fool parking the build. Yes sir, got the car and the girl. No way. The camera zooms in hella slow, but I'll get the idea. Yeah, this fool got his own Parker. let me stop. Part of the reason why it's fun when like we step out and like we go to like a car event, car meet, because we really just be like talk, not smack, but like insiders. Like we have this running joke that we say, you know, like when we see a modified car, we call it like a build. So I don't know, it's just funny like hearing us talk our smack. But yeah, nobody else gets it here. You know what I mean? Yeah. Lord have mercy, no pun intended. Yo, this is crazy, yo. 10 likes and I'm getting inside. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's gated too. Yo, no way. Rockford Fosgate speakers with the tweeters? No way. Yo, I know you don't care, but this car has Rockford Fosgate speakers, bro. That's how you. So first things first, y'all. We are in the presence of the mailman, the one and only mailman. But that's not all. We found the perfect vehicle for him. The amount of money that's here, you guys don't understand. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Full carbon. Ew. Look at that. Even the wheels. Lord. That's crazy. Guys, look at this GT2 RS. Now keep in mind, the difference between the 2 and the 3 is this one's twin turbo, so this one's technically more than a GT3 RS. You guys hear this? You guys hear this? Yo. So we are not too far from our, I'm gonna call it the crime spot, because that's kind of how they were. That's kind of how they were treating it. Let me see this fool again. Look, acting Asian. I know y'all saw that. But we're not too far away from our crime spot where we got state ref last year. But before we head to that spot, we came over here because, again, Car Week brings some of the most craziest cars out, yo. So when they ask you what the perfect video looks like, F40, we got a Lamborghini, and we have this guy again, yo. It's cool. You guys, the video will not be able to pick up how loud that car is, but you can literally hear it from miles away, like literally. All right, guys, and just like that, we are in the exact spot where we got state ref. And there are cops up here, yo. They're literally doing the exact same thing that they did last year. Did they pull in? I see cop lights on, and it does look like the same guy that put this over last year's up here. Yes, that's him. No way. No freaking way. All right, what are the odds we actually go up to him? Because the video, I'm not gonna say it went viral, it went like semi-viral. Wait, you know, that's crazy. Go up to him and
like, show him the video, like, hey, do you know this guy?
Yeah.
You should do that.
Yeah. That's crazy. Huh?
It's the same.
It's the same. Yeah, that's freaking crazy. You guys know it was the same. Yeah, you remember from last year, huh? What? It's a home, man. You got me. So you got me good. You got me good. No. Yeah, have you guys been catching cars out here? Oh, y'all got God, huh? Hey, man.
What do you do?
Just watching everything.
I know. What the guy do?
Some other cars?
Oh, that's too dark. That's illegal.
Man. So do you remember me from last year, or do you remember like video? Like, you just remember? The Orange Z, yeah. That was 1 year from today. It's crazy. Yeah. It's it. That's full, bro. That's full.
Hey, no, but what do you think? Were we revving or not? Oh, I was in the passenger, that's why.
I was.
Work out though for you though, right?
How did it work out? I mean, I still got it. So the thing is, actually, I don't live out here no more. I moved, so it's not a problem anymore.
Like down south or somewhere.
I can't reveal that, but you know. No, that's actually crazy that this guy actually remembered us though. That's insane though. But yeah, he did get us good though. Not gonna lie to you, dog. So as you guys know, this car that everybody's been going crazy over is coming down. Let's see if he gets up. I just want to see what's gonna happen.
That's crazy.
in now. Yo. I don't know. Are they gonna get him?
It's like a 60s car.
Yeah.
That's why he has him. He asked him, like, hey, can we get this car?
Yeah.
And then he was like, nah, it's too old. That's why he called him over there.
Yeah.
That's exactly why.
Hey, yes, sir. I know he's hot right now. Damn.
That's so funny, bro.
That's crazy, huh?
That's so funny.
That's
I
crazy.
wish I was there for the old one. Like,
Yeah.
what happened with you. I want to know the story.
Yeah.
Like, that's crazy how he, like, pointed you out.
Yeah.
You know, he's like, bro, you were the one, and he said the color of your car, too.
Yeah.
And the city, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, to the T, bro, you know? To the T.
Yeah.
Like, we didn't go up to him, hey, bro, do you remember this? Like,
Yeah.
he pointed you out.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Honestly, that was extremely crazy. I had no idea that we were going to run into the same cop that state ref'd us. And if I'm being honest, yeah, it sucks, like, being state ref and stuff, but I feel like that it kind of made it worth it, you know? Like, the fact that that fool, like, recognized us and then literally, like, was spitting out details about the incident that happened over a year ago. And like I said it in the video when I came out. I said that I got state ref, that it wasn't like, yeah, it sucks to be state ref, but he made the process, like, seamless in a sense. It sounds weird to talk about a negative situation like that, and I don't know if it's just because of me, like, trying to turn a positive or a negative into a positive, but, like, obviously everybody knows being state ref sucks, right? But it could have, like, turned out so much worse, you know what I mean? He could have been rude, he could have, like, towed the car, like, just been, like, extremely, like, inconvenient to me, but it wasn't like that, you know? Obviously it was a negative situation, but, like, it was, like, it was just, I don't know how to explain it. The guys, help me out here. I don't know. I don't know if I'm rambling or if I'm even making sense, but it was just, you know, it was just cool. You know, he was a cool cop. I guess at the end of the day, he's just doing his job. It does suck, you know, California, state refs, all that stuff. Because I will say it till the end of time. State refs make no sense because at the end of the day, they don't care about our health and, like, the environment and all that stuff. They're just trying to generate money. And I will say that to the day that I die, because it makes no sense. Like, all the stuff that happens in the world and stuff, like, and they're worried about stuff that we do to our cars and stuff like that, right? It's an argument that I'd be willing to have any time of the day. But like I said, that's just super cool. So this is going to be the end of the Monterey Car Week video for us. As you guys can see, I'm in a car by myself. That's because I have some extracurricular activities I got to attend to. So everybody else went out and they're enjoying the rest of the night, because Monterey Car Week doesn't end until tomorrow. So there's going to be cars everywhere until tomorrow. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.